guys, this is your girl Kaylee Sparks from Jamaica here with you today. For those who don't know, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a visual artist, and also a self-taught crochet artist. And for today, I'm here with my beautiful daughter Kiki.
Hi.
And today I'm going to show you guys how to do a perfect French braid for 4C hair, otherwise known as inside Cornrow. And before I get into that video, I'd like to give a big shout out to the Carter's family. They're having a new member to their family. Congrats, Carter's family. And for you CMR, I told you guys that I did an ultrasound and I had a wrong result. My ultrasound stated that I was going to have a boy, and you can see right here I have my beautiful daughter in the delivery room, Kiki. So let's get straight into this video. First thing first, make sure that you detangle the hair properly. Well, I did my detangle off camera, and this is the product that I will be using to lay around the edges so that it will be more smooth. It's a African Pride Black Castor Oil Magic. It's a gel. And a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to put just a little around the edges of her hair. Just to give me a neater finish. I'm not going to use it into the center of our hair, just those two sides. Slightly brush it in. And our hair is a 4B, 4C. So you slant her head to a comfortable position, and you're going to pinch up 3 hair, which this is one, this is one, and I'm going to swing that one and hold it with this finger, and then I'm going to pinch another piece. Then we are going to start off. So you just swing with your index finger to hold the hair, pull through, hold it with this finger, swing with your index finger with the next side, and that's what you're going to do, just carry them in and over. And you don't want to take up too much hair at once, and you have to try to balance it. When you reach at this section, you can't pull the hair too tight and you can't pull it too slack, so just try to do it as normal as possible, because it can damage your hair lining, and we are not looking at style to damage your hair lining. This style is also a protective hairstyle because you can have it in for a while. See, take note of the finger. I'm using this, hold this to press it down, this one is to hold the second hair, and this is to hold the third hair. We cave it in, swing back our index finger under again, take the one from over on this side, put it in, and that's what we're going to do each time we carry them in. And you noted that this finger, so you're going to use these 3 fingers we are going to use: the big finger, the index finger and the middle finger. Those are the three you have to use when you're doing your cane row. Same like how if you're doing a plait, those are the three fingers that you will be using. And you finish out the end, and I will show you to do the next side. And when you reach to a certain length at the bottom, you just set it in two and just twist the end, because we don't want, when we're pulling out back our hair, it's tear out the end of our hair. So we're going to go on to the next side. So we did lay a little of our edge off camera, and we're just brushing it in. If you guys want to put some in the center, you actually can do that, but I do not put any in the center. So I'm going to start now by doing, remember, 3 pinches you're going to need. And if you notice that I have piece into this finger, so we're going to start by cave it in, grip, cave in. So you notice I receive it with this finger, and I'm going to receive over on this side again, cave it in. Let me do it as slow as possible for you guys to get it. Sorry about that, guys. As slow as possible. So I'm hoping you guys are catching it, and don't forget, guys, to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and your family. And for those who are new, you know that Kiki's on her hair journey. Sweep, see, I'm taking it all the way from the front. Sweep, sweep, put it in the middle, and I'm going to receive it with my middle finger. Sweep with my index finger, put it in the middle, hold it with my middle finger. Sweep with my index finger, put it in the middle, and hold it with my middle finger. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys have that. And you can actually have a perfect invisible cornrow, aka inside cornrow French braid, with natural hair. And I do not use any lasket in it, and it's going to come out looking like, what they call it, stitch braid, like I have laskets. So if you notice in the side, it will look like I lasket up the middle and then put it in. So guys, I'm going to give you a close up look when I'm finished. So with the plaiting, this is what I do: middle finger hook, index finger hold, middle finger receive, and that's what we do. Just continue with that. So the same way how you set it to do a plait, that's the same way how you do it with the cornrow. So let me show you guys it slow. Over, receive, over, receive, over, receive. Okay guys, so remember, like up the video, subscribe, and you'll see more video like this, and you'll see Kiki hair journey. So this is the finishing of her hair. Remember, we didn't put any gel in the center of her hair. And remember, she's on her hair journey. So you can see that her hair is growing. And if you take notice, you'll see like some lining, looking like she have lasket there, but there's no lasket in her hair. That's why you have to always use your index finger to sweep in to get that neat effect. So guys, I hope you guys love this video, and that's it.